Well, the next line is a special line. We're going to plot this line that contains these 2 points, 2, -2, and 2, 4. Well, 2, -2 means go to the right 2 and down 2. And 2, 4 means go to the right 2 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what do you notice about this line? You had one point right above the other. That's going to give us a line that looks like this. Well, what do you think the slope of that line is? Well, let's plug it into the formula and see what happens. M equals 4 minus -2 over, that's the difference in the y's. The difference in the x's is 2 minus 2, and that's that gives us 6 over 0. I hate to write that. That's not a number. So a vertical line has undefined slope. A vertical line has undefined slope. There's no number that represents it. So this slope, we're just going to say, is undefined. The line is a vertical line. The equation of a vertical line is what? Well, it's interesting but very simple. Notice that if you plug in, notice that every ordered pair on this line has an x value of 2. Here are 2 examples. This is 2, 0 right here. Here's 2, 1, 2, 2. Here's 2, -1/2, 2, -1, and so on. So the only thing consistent about all those points is that the x value is always 2. This is the equation of a vertical line. Every vertical line looks like this, other than the 2. It's going to be x equals some number. What do you think the slope of the y-axis is? It's a vertical line. That would be the vertical line x equals 0. Okay, let's find the equation of the line that has slope 2 and passes through this point. So this is a bit of a review now. Since m equals 2, we know that it's going to be y equals 2x plus b, but we don't know what b is because this is not the y-intercept. This is just some random point. So now we're going to use the fact that -5, 3 is on the line. So if I plug in x equals -5, y equals 3, this equation will hold true. And that'll help us find out what x is. So y being a 3 equals 2, x being a -5 plus b. I think I erroneously said we're looking for x, we're looking for b. So then that's 3 equals -10 plus b. Add 10 to both sides, and we get b equals 13. So y equals 2x plus 13. That's the equation of the line. Now there's another way we can do it that I find is more straightforward than that. Anytime you are given a point and the slope, like we were up here, we were given this, the slope is 2, and we're given the point on the line, -5, 3, you can immediately write the equation of the line, and it'll have this form. Any line with slope m and going through this random point here is going to be y minus y1, there's y1, equals m, in parentheses, x minus x1. So when you're given the ordered pair, the x1, y1, you'll just plug it in here and here. So this will be a very simple problem. Find the equation of the line with slope m equal 2 passing through that point. Well, it would be y minus y1. This is our x1, y1, right here. Y minus y1 is 3 equals m, which is 2, x minus -5. X minus -5 is the same as x plus 5. So that is the equation of the line. Normally, I'm going to request, and in your homework, you won't normally leave an equation in this form. We'll typically convert this into slope-intercept form, which maybe I'll do just real quickly. We basically want y equals mx plus b as the final answer, and I'll explain why later. But this would give us y minus 3 equals, if I distribute here, I'll get 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10. All I have to do is add 3 to both sides. Y equals 2x plus 13. And you notice it's exactly the same answer we got doing it in a different way.